Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a UMASS Amherst inspired look with a nice red graphic eyeliner and some matching lips. So if you want to see how to get this cool UMass look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start off using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm just going to take a really light transition shade and buff that into my crease. And I'm going to really blend it outwards here because we're going to do a very dramatic wing. Now I'm just taking a maroon shade from that palette and tapping it on the outer part of my lid and blending that into the crease just to add some definition and to start adding in those UMass colors. Now on the lower lash line, taking that same maroon color and a very small brush, we're just going to start smoking that out. And now I'm going in with a blending brush and that light transition shade from before and just blending out the bottom lash line. Now I'm just taking my finger and the light champagne color from the palette and pressing that onto my lid. Now I'm taking a white liquid eyeliner from Sephora and I'm going to draw a wing. Now I'm taking the Stila liquid lipstick in the color Beso, which is a nice UMass maroon color, and I'm just taking a really precise liner brush and I'm just going to put the lipstick on this brush. And now I'm just going to outline the white eyeliner with the red. Now I'm just taking a matte white eyeshadow and going over the white part of my liner just to really intensify the white color. Alright, now I'm just going to add some mascaras and lashes and I'll be right back. Alright, and we're back with mascara and lashes. I use the NYX Worth the Hype mascara and Swanky lashes from Sephora. So now to finish off this look, we have to do a nice maroon lip. So of course we're going to take the same color we used on the eyes, the Beso Stila liquid lipstick, and we're just going to apply that to our lips. Alright guys, the lip is on and it's monochromatic with our eyeliner, which is a really cool look that I like. So this look is complete. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out my Instagram @SophiaDoingMakeup. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.